DIY, modern builder style. Check, love and respect. Agent Sasko again for H&L's Modern Builder. Now, from time to time you might come across one of these, a leaky pipe or a leaky tap or a faucet, and of course we don't want to be wasting any of our precious resources, so we have to tend to it. Now, you might need, depending on the situation, this looks like it's kind of loose and there's some thread tape in here that needs to be replaced, or you might need silicone, or you might need to replace a washer or something like that, but we definitely want to tend to it. So in this instance we're going to re-tape this and refit it. Alright, so as you can see, this is kind of loose, and one might ask, why don't just tighten it? Well, how did it become loose in the first place? You might want to just re-tape in any event. Alright, so of course make sure you lock off the main, or what if you have a lock off directly associated with this the pipe, then you can just turn that off. Remember, it's important to tape in a particular direction, and it's in the direction of where you tighten. Most fittings you tighten clockwise, so we're going to fix our tape in that direction. Alright, so and you want to make sure you get enough coverage at the end of this fitting that will go into the coupling. So, alright, it's thicker down that end. Let's try this. Make sure no cross threading around it. Alright, with these PVC fittings, be careful not to over tighten because you might cause a crack, and then that's a whole another operation. I'm satisfied with this. We'll turn on our main again and see what we get. Alright, we have water and no leak.